Welcome to Algebra Basics. Today, we are learning how to solve equations with decimals using the clearing method. Decimals can be intimidating and messy to work with. It is easy to misplace a dot or make a calculation error. But notice how much cleaner the equation on the right looks. By turning decimals into whole numbers, we make the equation much easier to solve. Before we start, let's review a key rule. When you multiply a decimal by a power of 10, like 10, 100, or 1000, you simply move the decimal point to the right. 1 0 moves it one spot. 2 zeros move it 2 spots. This is the magic we will use. Here is the strategy in 3 steps. First, look at the equation and find the number with the most decimal places. Second, choose a power of 10 with that same number of zeros. And third, multiply every single term in the equation by that number. Let's try this first example. 0.5x plus 1.2 equals 4.2. We look at the numbers. They all have just one decimal place. Since the maximum is 1, we need a number with 1 0. So, we will multiply everything by 10. Now we distribute the 10. This is the most important part. We multiply 10 times 0.5x, 10 times 1.2, and don't forget the other side, 10 times 4.2. When we do this, all the decimal points move one spot to the right, leaving us with 5x plus 12 equals 42. Now we have a simple two-step equation. We subtract 12 from both sides to get 5x equals 30. Then, we divide by 5, and we find that x equals 6. Here is a trickier one. 0.03 x minus 0.2 equals 1. Check the decimal places. 0.2 has one place, but 0.03 has 2 places. Since the maximum is 2, we need to multiply by 100. We multiply every term by 100. 100 times 0.03 becomes 3. 100 times 1 becomes 100. But be careful with the middle term. 100 times 0.2 moves the decimal 2 spots, so it becomes 20, not 2. Our new equation is 3x minus 20 equals 100. Now we solve it normally. Add 20 to both sides to get 3x equals 120. Divide by 3, and we get the final answer, x equals 40. To recap, always scan the equation for the term with the most decimal digits. Pick the matching power of 10, multiply every single term to clear the decimals, then solve the simple integer equation. You've got this.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.